Díaghuit gach duine, an seachtain seo beimid ag foghlaim faoi Scannáin, films or movies, so beimid ag foghlaim faoi Scannáin. Déach mé I watched. Déach mé Avengers Infinity War. Is Scannáin action action movie. Is Scannáin action Is é Thanos an druch character. Thanos is the baddie, the bad character. Is é Thanos an druch character. Is iad Iron Man, Thor, Hawkeye agus Black Widow na léachra, the heroes. Is iad Iron Man, Thor, Hawkeye agus Black Widow na léachra. Now féachanish is a Thanos. Thanos is a for he. Is iad Iron Man, Thor, Hawkeye agus Black Widow. They are iad for shead, iad for they. Bhí an Scannáin lán d'action agus pléasca ag bhí sé granmhar agus brónach freisin. The movie was full of action and explosions, but it was funny and sad as well. Bhí an Scannáin lán d'action agus pléasca ag bhí sé granmhar agus brónach freisin. Thaithin na héifeachtaí speisialta go mór liom. Thaithin, I really enjoyed the special effects. Thaithin na héifeachtaí speisialta go mór liom. Déach mé Coco. I watched Coco. Déach mé Coco. Is Scannáin beocanna animated. Is Scannáin beocanna Is é Ernesto an druch character, bad character, baddie. Is é Ernesto an druch character. Is iad Miguel agus Hector na léachra, heroes. Is iad Miguel agus Hector na léachra. Arís, A for he, iad for they. Bhí an Scannáin lán d'amhrán agus clasa ag bhí sé brónach freisin. The movie was full of songs and jokes, but it was also sad. Bhí an Scannáin lán d'amhrán agus clasa ag bhí sé brónach freisin. Thaithin an ceol go mór liom. I really enjoyed the music. Thaithin an ceol go mór liom. Déach mé The Witches. I watched The Witches. Déach mé The Witches. Is Scannáin scanrúil horror. Is Scannáin scanrúil Is iad na cailecha na druch character. The witches are the baddies. Iad for shead, shead for they. Is iad na cailecha na druch character. Is iad an buacail agus a wamo na léachra, the heroes. Is iad an buacail agus a wamo na léachra. The boy and his granny are the heroes. Arís, iad for shead, shead is for they. Is iad na an buachail agus a bhamó na léachra. Bhí an Scannáin currathach. This is a tricky one. Currathach. It means both exciting or moving. So you could say currathach about a sad film as well. Bhí an Scannáin currathach, scanrúil, frightening, agus granmhar, freisin. The movie was exciting, scary, and also funny. Bhí an Scannáin currathach, scanrúil, ach granmhar, freisin. Hahan na haistóirí go mórlón. I really enjoyed the actors. Hahan na haistóirí go mórlón. Okay, Inish. Tá sé suas leat. It's up to you. Your turn. Smuoinnig Scannáin a chonaic tú riamh. Think about a movie you saw before. So, cén Scannáin é? Which movie is it? Deich mé Now, I want you to say that sentence and fill in the movie. Deich mé Did you say it? Dúirtu é? Níor thula mé hu. I didn't hear you. Deich mé Oh, cearca leor. Is Scannáin action, beochanna, scanrúil, grin, comedy, ceol, musical, fiction, óliachta, science fiction, fiction, óliachta, science fiction. Is Scannáin é. So, piuch an focal ceart, agus an sin aber é. You say it. Is Scannáin é. Is A for he or it is. Is E for she or it is. Is iad for they are. So who is the baddie? An Leach, the hero. An Druck character, the baddie. Or you could say an Príomh character, the main character. So A for he, E for she, iad for they. And we say an Leach, the hero, but na Leachra, the heroes. An Druck character, the baddie, na Druck character, the baddies. An Príomh character, the main character, na Príomh character, the main characters. So is A, whoever it is, an Leach, Druck character, agus Príomh character. So Anish, Tussa, you say it. Is a an Bhí an Scannáin. Bhí an Scannáin currathach, exciting, granmhar, funny, scanrúil, frightening, brónach, sad, simúil, interesting, simúil, interesting, ladránach, boring, ladránach, boring, atch, weird, atch, weird. So, conas mar a bhí an Scannáin, how was it? You tell me. Bhí an Scannáin, Bhí an Scannáin, Hahan an gomorlum. Remember, an for the and na if you're talking about a plural thing. So hahan an scale, the story. Ceol, the music. Éifeachtaí speisialta, special effects. Éifeachtaí speisialta. Aisteoirí, actors. Clasa, jokes. Hahan an gomorlum. Anish tosa, you say it. Hahan an gomorlum. Anish tá mé chun ceann eile a dhéanamh. I'm going to do one more. Tá mé chun na barnaí a líana isteach. I'm going to fill in the gaps. Déach mé Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back. Is Scannáin fiction óíochta é. Is iad Luke Skywalker, Han Solo agus Princess Leia na léachra. Is iad Darth Vader agus an Emperor na druch character. Bhí an Scannáin corathach agus brónach agus scanrúil. Hahan na héifeachtaí speisialta, na haisteoirí agus an ceol gomorlum.